Students of class 8, previous day I taught you one diary entry. Today, once again, I am teaching you one more diary entry. I'll explain you once again. Previous day, I have already explained how to write diary entry, where you have to write the date, where you have to write your name, everything. Today, once again, you see one more diary. Okay, so go for the first slide here. This is the slide. So, what is written in the question? You are Bhavya oblique Bhavesh. So name is already given. So when you will write this diary and if your name is given like that, you are Bhavya or Bhavesh or you are Suresh or you are Mahinder, whatever it is, if some name is given, at the end of the diary you have to write that name particularly. Okay? That particular name you have to give. Otherwise you have to write your own name. So in the question itself you can see here it is written. Here it is written your Bhavya or Bhavesh. So either of this name you have to write at the end of the diary. Is it clear? You cannot write any other name. If the names are not given here, if the names are not given, then you can write your own name. Whatever your name is there, same name you can write it. Clear? So first part is clear. Now see what is the content, what is the question is given in the diary. You are Bhavesh or Bhavya. You have been recently selected as captain of your school cricket team. Captain of your school cricket team. Express your feelings in forms of diary entry. How you felt when you have been selected as a captain of the team. How you have felt yourself. You have to write it in your own diary. What is the word limit? Word limit is here 100 to 150 words. You have to remember this. You have to write the diary within 100 to 150 words. And what is the format of writing diary? I already told you previous day. Once again I'll tell you. Listen very carefully. So before the format, some hints are given in the question. What is the hints? What you have to highlight for it? See here. You are very excited. You are very happy, pleased because you have been selected as a captain of the team. Would try to win maximum match. Every captain would like to win maximum matches. So you are also the captain of a team, of your school team. You would like to win the maximum matches. This point you have to cover it in the point. Aspire to be great players like Virat Kohli and Shikhar Dhawan. They are the famous Indian players. You also would like to be one among them. You also like to be very famous player. So this point also you have to write in the content of the diary. What is the next point? Would try to instill team spirit and sportsmanship in players. The players, those are playing under you, they should be having the quality of sportsmanship and they should have a team spirit. So these are the points. 4 points are given here. These 4 points you have to cover in your writing. This is the body of the writing. Here this content is somewhere 100 to 150 words. In this content, those 4 points which is given in the above, these 4 points, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points you have to cover it up. Clear? Now see, I will explain you the format. How you have to start the diary. See here. At the left side top, what is written? Left side top is written Saturday. On which day you are writing the diary, you have to write that day. After day, just after day, what you have to write? You have to write the date. 24th September 2021 or 22, 20, whatever the year and month it may be. For example, today is 15th July 2021. So how we are going to write? Today is Thursday, isn't it? So you will write here. You will write Thursday. In the beginning you will write Thursday. Okay. Then you will write what? Date. First you have written the day, then you have to write date. How will write the date? Date is today 15th. Then what is the month? Month is July. You will write like this, July. And what is the year? 2021. This way you will write the date. Okay. And before that you have written day. What is the day? Today is Thursday. Have you understood how you write day and date? Where it will come? It will come in the left side of the diary. Left side of the top left side of the diary. You have to write it. Okay, this is the place. This is the place. Clear? Then we will start writing the actual content of the diary. What is the actual content? I'll read once again. And the right side, what is written in the right side? You see? Right side is written the timing. This is the timing. When you are writing this diary, maybe in the night 10 o'clock, maybe in the morning 7 o'clock, maybe in the noon, lunchtime, or in the afternoon, whatever the timing it may be. Remember, this diary entry you are writing for yourself. You are not writing a letter to your friend. It is for your own record. It is to see and memorize your own feelings, own emotions. You are writing to yourself. You are not writing to someone. This is not like a letter that you are writing to someone. This is you are writing for yourself. Okay. So this has to be in the form of first person. I have done like that. I have seen like that. I want to do like that. I would like to do like that. Means it is in the first person because you are speaking to yourself. Is it clear? Now see how it goes. Today is the happiest day for me to find that I have been selected as the captain of my school cricket team. It has been the most cherished ambition since my childhood, whom I saw great cricketers. Who are those cricketers? Gavaskar, Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli playing cricket. So by seeing those players, I also got inspiration that someday I'll be playing like that. Today I am playing for my school, but someday I'll be playing for my nation. Okay. I understand that practice, concentration, stamina, endurance, and team spirit play a major role in getting a name in my sports. These all qualities I have to imbibe. These all qualities, what are the qualities? Stamina, concentration, endurance, these all I have to instill in my character. Today awarded the I have ascended the first step of the ladder of cricket. What is the first step? Getting selected as a captain of the school. After that, maybe I'll be captain of the cricket team in the state or in district level or in the state level, afterwards national level, international level. So first step of the ladder I have ascended. Okay. I would try to win the maximum matches. This is the point was covered. See, would try to win the maximum matches. So this is already covered. That's why again it is written here. I would try to win the maximum matches. Now what is the next point is given here. Great players names, Virat Kohli and Shikhar Dhawan. Those names are also given here. I won't allow my friends to be affected by the petty thinking, small thinking they will not have. I had an ambition to play for my country. I know it. It is not easy. It is not very easy for the playing for the country. I can, but I can be like Virat Kohli and Shikhar Dhawan. See, these two players' name, Virat Kohli and Shikhar Dhawan name is given. This is again given in the point, this point. Can you see? So this point is also covered. So these all points what is given here one by one, you have to cover it in your writing. You have to mention it in your writing. Is it clear? After all, they all are human beings. I would try to instill team spirit and sportsmanship in the player. This line again you see. I would like to I'll try to instill. What you would like to instill? Team spirit and sportsmanship in the player. This is given here. Last point, team spirit and sportsmanship. So this point is also covered. So remember these points, whatever is given here, you have to cover those points in your writing. Is it clear? And you are writing everything in the first person. I would like to do that. I would like to have it. I'll play for my country. Everything in the first person because you are writing for yourself. It is a diary. It is not letter. Okay. It won't be difficult to achieve when my role models are before me. So this is the content of your diary. It will be somewhere 100 to 150 words. At the bottom here, you have to write the name. What name you have to write? You have to write the name, what is given in the question. What is given in the question? Your Bhavya or Bhavesh. So here you have to write Bhavya. This name you have to write. Or you can write Bhavesh. So why you will write this name? Because this name is given in the question. If the name is not given in the question, then you will write your own name. Is it clear? Once again, I would like to tell you, listen, the format, very important format. At the left side, first you have to write the day. After that, you have to write date. At the right side, top, you have to write the timing. Okay, this is and at the bottom, you have to write the bottom left side, you have to write the name. What is the name? Name is what is given in the question. If the name is not given in the question, then we will write in your own name. Clear? This is the mainly format. Then comes the content of the diary. Content of the diary is this one. This is the content of the diary. You have to write within 100 to 150 words. But in this content, you have to cover the points what is given in the question. If the points are not given in the question, there is no problem. You can write. And if the points are given in the question, then you have to cover this, whatever the number of points are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. These points are given. These points you have to cover in this content. Is it clear? So this is the second identity I taught you. Go through it, see the video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me later. Is it clear?